Most businesses are losing leads every day, not because they don't have traffic, but because they respond too slowly. Think about it. Leads come from your website, social media, ads, and messages. But if you're juggling 5 different platforms just to manage them, things fall through the cracks. That's why entrepreneurs are switching to GSS AI, one platform that combines AI lead capture, funnels, and CRM, automated follow-ups, and marketing automation, all working 24 hours a day. So instead of chasing leads, your system captures them, qualifies them, and books appointments automatically. All of this happens automatically, even while you sleep. If you want to see how AI can run your marketing and sales systems, visit the link below and request a demo of GSS AI today. Your future business might just run itself. Book now, free demo, free AI funnel generator, and more. Call 775-307-7201 today.